Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with the Noodles nail polish pickup offering for the month of October that was sent to me to swatch and share with you. The theme for October's polish pickup is sidekicks, and Noodles found inspiration from Hey Hey from the movie Moana. This is going to be priced at $11.50 and there is no cap. It's described as a dark turquoise crelly with metallic and hollow orange glitters and a touch of hollow turquoise glitters. I built this one up in 2 coats. Those orange hollow glitters are so pretty against that turquoise crelly base. Fantastic for the fall season, I think. Formula is really nice. It's got those glitters in there, so you're definitely going to want a thick glossy top coat to smooth things out and add some shine, and they will make it difficult to remove. All of the links that you will need will be in the description box down below. Polish pickup does open on the first Friday of the month, closes on the following Monday, but times will be in the description box. Times, dates, the whole shebang in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!